Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import contacts from Excel to Google Contacts. Importing contacts allows you to quickly add multiple people to your Google account without entering them one by one. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Go to contacts.google.com and sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Before importing your contacts, make sure your Excel file is saved as a CSV file, since Google Contacts doesn't support Excel files in the .xlsx format directly. If your file's still in Excel format, open it in Microsoft Excel. Click File, then Save As, and choose CSV, delimited as the file type. Once your CSV file is ready, return to Google Contacts. On the left side of the page, click Import. Then click Select File. Browse to your computer and choose the CSV file containing your contacts. After selecting the file, click Import. Google Contacts will upload the file and automatically add all the contacts to your account. If there are duplicate contacts, you can click Merge and Fix to combine them. To verify the import, click Contacts and scroll through the list to make sure your contacts were added successfully. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to import contacts from Excel to Google Contacts. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Contacts tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.